Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom within your video on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device. And once you open it up, you can open any of your old projects or create a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you are inside the edit menu, you can open up any of your video that you want to edit by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Once your video has been added to the timeline, in order to zoom into your video, just tap on the video layer first in order to get into the edit menu. Once the video has been selected, tap on the edit toolbar alongside the play button at the very right, and now you will see several different options. Tap on the percentage indicator at the top and the bottom if you wish to zoom in and zoom out from your clip. You can set your desired zoom level by using this option, or you can also use the magnification bar at the top section in order to set your own desired zoom level. Once you are done setting your desired zoom level, you can proceed with editing your video and then exporting it once you are satisfied with your edit. And there you have it. That is how you can zoom within your videos on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.